Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of The Good, the Bad, and the Spammy, where we dissect outbound emails and give our critique, advice, and in this instance, actually quite a bit of praise. This email was received by our marketing team. Not a ton of feedback because this was actually a really great email with a ton of research done before they went ahead and crafted it. You can tell that it's not a mass email. It's completely customized. Even if it just is, the first stage of a sequence, you can tell they went above and beyond to customize this first email to Rita on our team. And the research they did and they noticed was that we have a ton of different pages on Mixmax versus competitors, or personalization versus automation, finding the right balance in sales, actually bringing up an article that we have and referring back to it and letting us know how we could do this better at scale with their product, which I'm assuming is appealing to our team. So overall, not a ton of feedback for this. We just really liked the research. There was a really great value prop. Then they had a great CTA. Are you open to finding a way to scale this without hiring more writers? That sounds really appealing to our team. I would say the only thing is go ahead and add like a calendar link so she can quickly book a meeting if she's interested, instead of having to respond back and do the calendar dance of times she's available, times you're available. But overall, super great email, and we gave this email a 9.5 out of 10. Thanks, guys. Bye.